YouTube video, and today I finally got new wheels. It's XXR's 521s. I understand that, like, a lot of people don't like this type of brand because, not a lot of people don't like it because it's the material wise or how it's made, basically. So the reason why I got these is because there were other brands that do provide 4 lugs, and the only issue I had with it was the offset. I wanted my wheels to tuck, like at least fill in this gap right here. That's all I care about. My main issue right here is this clip. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but that's my only main issue when it comes to this aftermarket wheel. This wheel is a 17x7. Yes, it's a OEM spec as well, but it's a positive 38mm offset, while this one's a 55. So I'll get at least 1.5 to 2 inches of push coming out. Overall, that's all I care about. I'm not trying to do the lip to fender or wide body. I learned that the lesson the hard way. That was just plain awful. I really want to ride low and slow. So as I was thinking about putting on this wheel, I think I would just leave it black at first to see how it looks with the window tint, and if it works very well, I'll just leave it. Plus it has chrome rivets. That's pretty nice because I do have some chrome trims. I'm okay with this chrome trim on here because it's silver. Overall, I'm going to test fit them in the front. I just want to make sure it gives clearance to this portion. And I fender rolled my fender like about a year ago or some sort of like that, if you guys watched that video. But yeah, so I haven't purchased the tires yet, and I would like to thank my friend David for letting me borrow his freaking lug nuts. And just let me get them out. These are the lug nuts he lets me borrow. I hope these are the right specs. I need a 12 by 1.5, and I hope these are the ones as well because he doesn't remember what specs are these. So yeah, I got my hub centric ring. We got the air valve on already. I deadass have to use this emergency jack compared to this jack because this still would not give me clearance at all. Yeah, the struggle of being a low life. I pulled this one out of my 2016 Accord, so just gonna do that. Hopefully. Just look at that. Looks so fucking cool. Let's see how much sticks out. Just that much. Oh yes, it will tug. I think I just need a fender roll this portion. The black doesn't look like it's working. I think I need silver or white. We're gonna have to see once I slap the tires on. So as I was putting on the rear wheel, I noticed that the lip right here is uneven. If you guys can see it, it's not flush with the other lip right here. This one's just really bad. What the fuck? I think I should just return the wheels because that's not okay. I don't know how to feel about this. So these wheels are not going to be installed. Yeah, so it's proven that XXR's brands are easily breakable. Sadly is, and right here is all proven otherwise. So not worth it. Not worth it, guys. Okay. There you go. XXRs are not worth it. Time to return these.